In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to complete a bedmas problem and take into consideration exponents. So here's the question. It says brackets 6 plus 5 close bracket squared times 5 close bracket minus 4 squared. So according to bedmas, which I'll copy down over here, bedmas. According to bedmas, I should start with the brackets. And what's inside my big brackets here is another set of smaller brackets. And so, of course, I start with those brackets, because if I have to start with the brackets, then I always start with the ones that are most inside. So to make it clear, I will start with, and I will underline it in red, I will start with this, 6 plus 5. And so 6 plus 5 is 11. And so what I have is 11 squared times 5 bracket minus 4 squared. And after we do brackets, we do exponents. The next set of the exponents that I have to do now is 11 squared. And so 11 times itself is 121 times 5 minus 4 squared is 4 times 4, that's 16. Now I can do my multiplication, which is nested inside this bracket, which I didn't do first because before I can multiply 11 squared times 5, I had to first do the exponent, because exponents come before multiplication. So now that the exponent is done, I will do the multiplication, which is inside this bracket, and so it's 121 times 5. 121 times 5 is, let's write that down on the side here, 121 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1, 1 and 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 605. Minus 16. And finally, we could do the subtraction. And 605 minus 16 is, let's write that down over here, minus 16. I can't do 5 minus 6, so I borrow from the 0, but there's nothing to borrow, so I have to come borrow from the 6 over here. So this becomes a 5, this becomes a 10, which I cross out, write 9, and put a 1 next to the 5 because I borrowed 1. And so 15 minus 6 is 9. Now 9 minus 1 is 8, and here we have a 5. So the final answer should be 508. This should be the final answer of a question like this.